What is this in Chinese language? Do you know? Little. You look like little, very little. Do you know what is tense? Yeah.
Dish.
Bangladesh. Just a week. Hello. Where are you from?
Hello.
Where are you from?
I come from China.
China. Okay,
China.
Okay. Just I am from Bangladesh. Do you know our country Bangladesh? Bangladesh.
Oh,
Next to India.
I know.
Already I have followed you. You can follow me. Instant.
It's okay.
Okay.
You can follow me first.
Have you lost a game? You are crying.
Yes. I don't have this.
Okay.
I lose the.
Actually, your floor is real or artificial? Your floor on head.
Power?
Real or artificial? Artificial or real? Real floor.
I can't get it.
Okay. Actually, are you a student? Do you study? Are you a student?
Know a little English.
Are you a
I
student?
only know a little English.
Okay. You know little English.
I'm a student.
Oh, basically I am a private teacher. English teacher.
English is difficult.
Teacher, yeah, of
You are
course.
English teacher?
Yeah. Actually,
Good. I
yeah.
think English is difficult.
What is your name? May I ask you some questions? What is your name? Your name, please.
My name is Xiao.
Easy Shao. Okay.
It's my Chinese name.
Okay, this is Zakaria Hussain.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the name? What is this in Chinese language? Do you know? Who is
Chinese
writing?
language?
What is this?
I don't know.
Chinese language.
Chinese language?
Yeah. Please listen to her. Listen concentrately.
Oh,
Actually, I don't know.
maybe.
Maybe any brand name. Really? Brand. Any brand name, I think that. However, how many brothers and sisters do you have? Little questions I am asking. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
Only one.
One.
Only one. The little doctor. Yeah.
Only you? Really? Okay.
A little doctor.
Basically, I am the little. We are three brothers and sisters. I am the youngest. I am little. Also, I am little in my family.
You are the youngest.
Yeah, youngest.
Oh, okay, I know.
Okay.
Okay.
Actually, how old are you?
19.
19. Okay. Basically,
Yeah.
I am 13. I am 30. I am 30. I am 30 years old.
Oh.
Already I have
Okay.
completed higher education, Master of Social Science in Social Work. MSS degree I have completed many years ago. Really. Have you completed?
Okay.
Okay. Have you completed high school level education? Have you completed high school level? Completed.
college student.
College
Yeah.
college student. Okay, but you look like little. You look like little, very little. Really.
Oh. Yeah.
But actually, your appearance look like serious youngest. Just a little. Your appearance style.
Oh, I know. Maybe I'm a little cute.
Cute girl, right? A little cute girl. Just you look like. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
One more then. Accept.
Okay.
One more then.
Bye.
No. One more then. 5 minutes.
Again?
5 minutes. Yeah.
Okay.
Just can you speak English fluent or a little bit? Little bit English speaking style? Little bit.
A little English.
Little English. Do you practice English every single day with someone? Do you practice English?
Practice English.
Yeah. With your friends or cousins or anybody. I think that you should practice English every single day to progress in English, to shine in English, to improve. Yeah, to improve in English, you have to practice English more and more. Without practice English, you cannot speak English fluently. It is real. For this reason, yeah, I am giving some advices for you. To progress English, to learn English, you have to practice English more and more with grammar. Do you know what is tense? Do you know?
And
TENSE. Do you know what is tense? Do you know? This is an important grammar. Tense. Yes. Do you know 12 kinds of tenses?
okay.
12 kinds of tenses. Do you know in detail? Do you know? Tense. Yeah. Just
Tense.
you should practice or you should learn 12 kinds of tenses with a skilled teacher. With a skilled teacher, so that you can learn English fluently. To speak fluently, grammar is must. I think that
Fluently.
you have to expert in English grammar. Basically tense, syllable. China. Okay, please listen. China. Yeah. How many syllables, or how can we divide? China? How many parts are there? 2 parts. China. 2 parts. China. 2 parts. And Bangladesh. China. Okay. And another word, Bangladesh. How many parts? Do you know? How many parts do you know in Bangladesh?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Bangladesh. Just we can divide the word into 3 parts. Bangladesh. Okay? Bangladesh. Just one part of the word is called syllable. This is an important part of learning English. To learn spontaneously in learning English, to learn correct pronunciation of English word, you have to practice. Yeah, you have to practice syllable. Syllable, the basic English grammar. Syllable. Syllable. How many parts are there? How many parts are there? Syllable. How many parts?
Syllable.
Yeah.
Three.
Three parts. Syllable. Syllable. Yeah. You have to practice. At first, you have to practice syllable. Syllable in detail. With a, yeah. Follow me. Just next time we will talk other parts of grammars. Follow me. And follow me on WhatsApp number. WhatsApp. I will help you. WhatsApp. Yeah, I am giving my. Yeah. Of course. Please. Listen. Please listen. Okay. This is my WhatsApp number. Below. Connect me with WhatsApp. 01775801022. Behind.
So you can send me.
Yeah, of course. This is my number.
Oh, it's okay.
WhatsApp. Connect me on WhatsApp. I will help you. Really. Basically, I am a private teacher. English teacher. Okay. Connect me.
Okay.
And give me your WhatsApp number. Give me.
Well,
WhatsApp number. Give me.
me?
Yeah. Give me. Give me your WhatsApp number.
After. It's okay. After my life. Okay. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Follow me, instant. Follow me.
Bye.
Follow me.
Yeah, I follow you.
Okay.
I follow you.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.